We are in the Monkey Beach. This is Monkey Beach. We actually managed to get a good deal yesterday. Usually it's like 3,600 baht to Koh Island, opening for 5 different islands, and then you will get breakfast and lunch included. But our took managed to get the deal for 1,500 per person. So I'm really glad we have took with us, and yeah. So these are the guys that who brought us here in their boat. It was quite a ride, like more than an hour, I guess, and it was bumpy, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, let's check out Monkey Beach. Hanging out there. He's having his life, enjoying. Look at this guy giving a pose.
So this trip was actually, I was planning to go, but what happened was we were going on a walk the day before night, and then we found out a little hut sort of place. They are just literally giving leaflets for this kind of trips, and Took managed to have a bargain with that woman, and then we got it for 1,500, which was very cheap. And this trip was amazing. I loved it because it's like a 5-stop trip, and this is the first stop. So for the other stops, I will be creating more videos. So please tune into our channel. And yes, there are more travel videos are coming up. So please subscribe to this channel and make sure to click that thumbs up. And hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.